What is up, Positive Vibers?
What's up, what's up, what's up,
It's
what's
Danny
up?
here.
And Tanya.
And we're Positive Vibe Adventures.
Oh, yeah.
We just got off the Carnival Mardi Gras. Had a great time.
I'm
Great
ready to
vacation. Yeah. we don't have too much longer. Some more activities. Can't wait for them.
Yes.
But in this video, we're going to tell you guys about all the activities, like up near the 18th and 17th deck with all the roller coaster, the rope course,
The boat.
Yeah, there's so much fun to be had up there, and
I had a good time up there playing around like a kid. I felt like a kid for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, I was a little bit longer. She went and sat down, and I kept playing, but
It's okay though.
yeah, the pool tables.
They weren't letting you be successful.
Yeah, the way they were like angled, so all the balls rolled to one side. So I would say that there's no need for that. The foosball tables, cool little thing to have, but never really saw anybody ever on them.
No,
kinda,
I mean, in Pig and Anchor, people were playing.
Yeah, Pig and Anchor
had like 3 or 4 different setups, and people were on them constantly.
That's where the pool tables probably should have been. They probably could have leveled that a little better, maybe.
Maybe so.
Then they had the what do you call that? Where you toss the bags in the cornhole.
Cornhole.
Yeah, they had some cornhole. So I mean, they had some little activities to do.
Not much. I wish they would have had maybe a few more, but hey, you get what you can.
Yeah, the basketball court, that was pretty fun. They had a nice size net over the top of it, so you could really shoot high if you wanted to, whatever.
They had the water slide, 3 different water
Oh my
slides.
gosh, the water slides.
They were fun.
I was killing it, y'all.
And they had the boat, which we did ride.
Yeah, the roller coaster.
The roller coaster on a ship, which y'all guys think is insane.
Yeah,
ain't it?
it's crazy. It was fun. You got to pay $15 for
Insane.
2 rides.
2 laps around.
Yeah. You got a little boost on it. You can make it go. You can make it go faster.
It was a little breathtaking, y'all.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. But I would recommend go faster because I've saw some people get stuck, and I think they may have been going too slow, so they got stuck. The water slides, though, guys, I had so much fun on these water slides. They had one that drops you down. You sat in the capsule. Tanya got in the capsule. I didn't think she was gonna do it, to be honest with you.
I'm not that chicken, you guys.
But she did it, and man, was it! I really enjoyed those water slides. I don't know, there's something about them made me feel like I was a big kid. The putt-putt.
I didn't play putt-putt. I don't do putt-putt. I mean, I can stand there and watch, but I'm just.
It
doesn't do nothing for me.
No, she gives it no effort, just bloop. It's fun though. I had fun. Me and Jay played a little bit together. One of our friends that we took on the cruise with us, and we had a good time playing that.
It was good.
But the ropes course, you tell them about the ropes course.
The ropes course, you guys, I did it. I went all the way around, but boy, was I scared, you guys. We was on level 18, deck 18, I think, and this maze video coming soon.
Yeah.
But I was scared, you guys. It really scared me. It really did. That's all I can say about that. I mean, if you into that, do that. You know, I never thought it would scare me that bad, but it did. I did it, but I don't think I'll do it again.
I knew she was scared because she wasn't making no noises. We weren't getting no "oh lords," no "Jesus takes the wheel."
None of that. I was silent.
Yeah, I knew. And when she said she didn't want to do the zip line and wanted to take this path, you got it. Because I knew she was scared. I was just happy she was doing it.
I was happy I passed though. I was happy that I got through with it. I really am.
I personally really enjoyed it because I have no fear of heights. They had a plank that you could like walk out onto the edge of the ship. It was so cool. It may have been like that wide, maybe about six feet off of the ropes course that you walk out.
I was so nervous, you guys. That was something that really made me nervous. I wasn't even nervous like that on the boat, but on the rope course, they can have it.
When we were finished, she was happy. I really enjoyed it.
When we finished, I still had like anxiety and shakes and stuff. It really scared me, you guys. Sorry.
She got that adrenaline flowing. That's what that was.
I tried it though. I did it.
And then I guess maybe the last activity that, you know, as far as having fun and just being a kid, probably the arcade.
Oh yeah, we went in the arcade. We stayed in there. maybe an hour, I want to
Yeah,
say. Maybe an hour.
We played a good bit in the arcade. They had a lot of the newer games, which was kind of cool to see. They had a giant Pac-Man game, and that thing was crazy because all of a sudden it just dropped like 50 pucks on you, and you're just going crazy.
Yeah, that was an insane.
Yeah.
That was an insane Pac-Man game.
But they had some pretty cool things in there. Now the prizes, you know, normal prizes. But
I mean, we did win
Yeah.
four. We did win
got
4
some
prizes.
things.
So, hey,
lights up.
can't go wrong.
Pretty cool.
We won.
Yeah, we
something.
won.
So, yeah, but the arcade was pretty cool. I wish they would have had a few more games, but hey.
I think half of them were like closed because of, you know, everything going on. They didn't want everybody all up on each other, so you could only play like half of the games.
Yes.
But
Yes.
I really enjoyed the activities on this ship. For younger people, I think they would have a great time just spending a day just doing activities on the ship.
They do have trivia. They do have bingo.
Yeah.
So if you into those things, hey, there you go.
Yeah.
But for as the activities, I was fine with what we was offered.
Yeah, me too. I really enjoyed it. Well, alright guys, well, that's gonna do it for this video. If y'all like it, hit that like button, and we'll see y'all next time on Positive Vibe Adventures. Peace, y'all!